Galaxy S25 Slim, the perfect balance of power and elegance? Samsung is once again pushing the boundaries of smartphone innovation, and this time, it's with a device that seems almost too good to be true: the Galaxy S25 Slim. Rumored to launch in the second quarter of 2025, this sleek addition to the Galaxy S25 lineup has been the talk of the tech world. With leaks pouring in about its specs, design, and performance, it's hard not to get excited. But are these rumors credible, or is this just another case of overhyped expectations? Let's dive deep into what we know so far and see if the Galaxy S25 Slim is truly a game changer. At the heart of the Galaxy S25 Slim is its stunning 6.66-inch AMOLED display, the same size as the Galaxy S25 Plus. However, that's where the similarities end. Samsung is reportedly packing this device with an incredible camera system that could rival even the most premium flagship phones. According to leaks, the phone will feature a 200-megapixel ISOCELL HP5 primary sensor, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and another 50-megapixel telephoto camera with an impressive 3.5x optical zoom. This trio of flagship-grade cameras, combined with Samsung's expertise in computational photography, promises breathtaking photos and videos. Whether you're capturing expansive landscapes or zooming in for detailed close-ups, the Galaxy S25 Slim could redefine smartphone photography. Performance is another area where the Galaxy S25 Slim appears to shine. It's expected to run on Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, the same processor powering the rest of the Galaxy S25 lineup. This chipset is built for peak performance and efficiency, ensuring seamless multitasking, lag-free gaming, and exceptional AI-driven features. In regions where Exynos processors are typically used, Samsung may introduce the Exynos 2500, which is rumored to bring significant performance improvements over its predecessor. While the Exynos version might not match the Snapdragon 8 Elite's raw power, it's expected to handle any task with ease and bring advanced features like Wi-Fi 7. What truly sets the Galaxy S25 Slim apart, however, is its design. At a rumored thickness of just 6.x millimeters, this could be Samsung's slimmest smartphone yet. Despite its ultra-thin profile, the device is said to house a battery with a capacity between 4,700 mAh and 5,000 mAh. This combination of a slim body and a large battery is almost unheard of, making it perfect for users who want a sleek, lightweight phone without compromising on battery life. For those who prefer a high-end smartphone experience without the added bulk of features like the S Pen, the Galaxy S25 Slim could be a dream come true. Samsung seems to be addressing a unique segment of the market with the Galaxy S25 Slim. It's a phone for users who crave top-tier performance, cutting-edge cameras, and excellent battery life, but prefer a minimalist design. With its flagship-level specs, the device could attract consumers who are not fond of larger, heavier phones like the Galaxy S25 Ultra or the feature-packed Galaxy S25 Plus. The Galaxy S25 Slim is rumored to launch in the second quarter of 2025, possibly alongside some Galaxy A series devices. While pricing details remain unclear, Samsung could shake up the flagship market if it positions the Galaxy S25 Slim competitively. The question now is whether the company can deliver on the high expectations set by these leaks. With features that sound almost too good to be true, the Galaxy S25 Slim has the potential to be a groundbreaking device or a massive disappointment. For now, all eyes are on Samsung as we await official confirmation of these details. If the rumors are accurate, the Galaxy S25 Slim could be the perfect balance of power, elegance, and innovation, appealing to a wide range of users. What do you think about this upcoming smartphone? Could it live up to the hype, or is this just wishful thinking? Let us know your thoughts in the comments, and stay tuned to GigaGuide for all the latest updates on the Galaxy S25 series and more. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into the tech world. Until next time.